Welcome to another episode of Fun Finance. In today's video, we are going to talk about obsession of retail people on quantity. So I was talking to one of my friend today. For purpose of friendship, let's call him Vikram. So I was talking to Vikram, and Vikram was like, "Okay, we should buy a stock where we can buy that stock in like good quantity, like the stock should be of less value so you can buy it in like hundreds and thousands." So I asked him why. He was like, if there is a movement, then we will gain a lot in that stock. So I told him, like, if the movement is like 50% gain is there, let's assume a stock is of 10 rupees and there is a 50% movement, okay, and there is a stock which is of 100 rupees, okay, and there is a movement of 50%. Let's assume you have bought those stock of like 1 lakh rupees. So in both the cases you will be earning how much? Like 50%. That would be like, for 1 lakh it would be, if it's up 50%, it would be 15,000, irrespective of what the quantity is, right? Like here the quantity might be larger, but the profit will be same as because of the percentage, right? Because the gain is same. So it was like around 3 4 to like more than 5 minutes till the time he realized that if the percentage of return is same, then it make no difference. And I have seen this in multiple incidents where when I'm talking to my friends and families, when they are asking me for a stock suggestion, and they want a stock which have a lower value, and so because they can buy them in more quantity. I gave him an example of Bank of Baroda also. Like before COVID, Bank of Baroda was in the range of 100 rupees, and SBI was in the range of 350 rupees. Now after Corona, Bank of Baroda is now below 80, which is the, like, if you have bought in 100, it is below that price. And SBI is above 3, like it was 350, now it's in the range of 420 or 30, like in that range. The main thing is, it's not about the like price of stock. Like there might be some example, if you take example of IDFC, it was like it is above its pre-COVID level, I guess so, okay. So it's not about the quantity of the stock you buy. It should, the focus should be on the quality, because of that factor, lot of companies either split their stock, or they are bringing stock in such a value form that the retail investor get attracted to it. And like, see, SBI card was one of the example, or IRCTC, Demat is one of the example where the prices were generally high. Okay, you could have bought 2 stock, 4 stock, or 5 stock instead of buying 20, 50, 100. But you could have got those return if you are not, like, if you are obsessed with the quantity. And I can say that because a lot of people are obsessed with this, because at a point I was also obsessed with that quantity. Like IFCI, if someone used to remember, I used to trade lot of in IFCI, and I used to like 20 paisa bhi mila, and if I trade in 2000 quantity, net 20 paisa bhi mila, so I used to get 200 rupees. So there is obsession, like a lot of people might have. So let me know in comment section if you have this same obsession. And I am pointing it out because this is a problem, okay. When you are investing, you should rather focus on quality of stock, rather instead of the quantity of the stock, okay. Let me know in the comment section if you agree or not, okay. And now I will try to come up with more of this retail people obsessions, okay. So let's call this series as retail people obsession, and I'm sharing this with my experience because I am also a retail investor, and at some point of time I also had this, okay. So this is not something gyan dena or something kind of thing, or like showing that retail people are like something bad or something. It's just sharing some of my experience and some of the mistakes which we should not do, okay. So let me know in comment section. See you in the next video. Thank you. Jai Hind.